because they know where the land is. But this is interesting, look. Somebody lives here in the middle of nowhere, and this is literally the middle of nowhere. I've always wanted to come and have a look somewhere like this. And he said what?
You can interview.
Interview?
That girl.
What girl?
That's mother-in-law.
Ah, okay. Then does he live here?
The wife of her.
That's his wife. Could you do this every day, guys? And you've got no choice. You either do this or you don't eat. Annie, is it all right if I video? Is it okay? Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Bless, what you? Bless. Uy.
So he sleeps here, does he, or does he
Yeah.
sleep at the other house?
Yeah.
What?
He is sleep here. Bless, Matthew. Bless.
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 Thank you.
Ate ang nagbabantay.
I thought this was a weed, but it's actually a plant they eat. So this is his wife. Look, I met her earlier on. She's coming out of the field. I think she was doing a bit of weeding by the looks of it. So, can't live much simpler than this, can you guys?
Tapos, you know, hindi, bubong. Do you know the bubong?
Just that's what they cooking for the water.
Simple. In your country, if you don't have like that, no, water. Here in Philippines, this is water here. No.
They don't drink that though, do they?
Naiinom din? No.
Not now. Daet.
Just only for for the wash. Just only for the wash.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
But before in Daet,
Yeah.
you can drink there.
Yeah.
Ayo.
Mhm.
Yes.
Because there's as well the family in Daet.
Annie has a family also on diet.
Yeah. Side of her mom.
See the dark yellow? He fell off the chair and hit his head. He's had a lump there for a few days.
Singapore.
Yeah.
Nagtatrabaho ako.
There's no shortage of bananas, potassium.
It's not yet ready
No.
to harvest. Let's interview ate.
But these are... No, she probably doesn't want interviewing. She probably doesn't want to interview.
Yes, ate said you can interview her. She's English.
So what's she actually doing, Annie? What's she doing?
Ano ang ginigibo ani?
Anong ginigib niya?
Tigahali aning damo.
Remove the grass.
Ah, yeah, she's weeding it then.
Just like to clean.
Just to clean.
So when will this be ready to harvest?
Norda na maano ang semi ang rice.
Papadaming na rin po yan, pwede itong ma-harvest na.
Ani ho na ang bagas.
Pinya Francia.
Before
September. Pesta.
And how do they know it's ready?
Ano mo po dahil maaraman kung ready na?
May bilang.
May bilang.
Yeah.
There's counting.
Counting what?
Yeah, for the days.
All right, okay.
Pero ang bulan po yan, halimbawa po
Uy, come here, you monkey. You'll fall. There you go.
3.5 months.
Foreigner yung
3.5 months.
Yeah,
Oh.
you can harvest now. 3.5.
So then they harvest. How long before they replant again?
Pag na-harvest na siya, gawin ulit. 3.5.
Tanong na naman ulit. kung ano.
3.5 months before they harvest, do it again. The planting.
Mabulaklak na siya.
At this month, they have a flower
It's
na.
gonna be ano na
Lalabas ng
exploded
palay
na.
na.
It comes out na. The rice.
Cool.
Tapos po, pag alimbawa po, na-harvest mo na po yan, so pirang, pwede ka na muli magtanom?
Basta naka-ready lang. May bani na yan. Iguana yan hybrid. Nauna mo.
Like for example, if you already are harvest na now, you can put another one.
Straight away.
Yeah, straight away.
Very good. So there you go.
Mga pirang sako man po yan.
Ito ma-estimate.
Ayaw mo ma-estimate.
Hindi pa nakakasiguro. Panahon.
Right on your back door here, guys.
Papaduming duman po itong kuan ng mga tilapia.
What are the kids doing over there?
There's the fish pond.
Oh, there's a fish pond there. Right, let's switch it off and go and have a look at the fish. Right, so they're saying that's the fish pond, and then all of a sudden we find another one. So I think this is one of them situations where there's a failure to communicate.
What we've got here is failure to communicate.
What do you think, Mal? Now this is a fish pond.
Yeah, this one.
That's one.
You can find like a fish, but we don't have a net.
Is there a lot of fish in here?
Yeah.
Tukod lang sira.
See, look,
There's a lot of
I don't know if you can see it on this GoPro, but that's massive over there, the pond, look. And I would imagine this is feeding some of these.
You want to swim? Yeah. You want to swim?
ano ko. First time ko maglako na.
That's growing.
Pilit siya na in her legs.
Hmm? Why are you feeling itchy on your legs? What you done?
Because of the grass.
Oh, are you allergic to grass?
No, it can make feel itchy.
Ate Ben, paduman mo siya o tama malinig man duman.
You can go there.
You can go there.
Where?
There, Aslo.
Over there?
No, just only there lang.
You can show the river.
You can show the NO. I laugh lots with Mel, you know, when she does this NO thing. It's like, she says I know, knowing full well, it doesn't mean anything to a foreigner. Oh, that's better, look. Oh my God, it's all the way up there, it's massive. I wonder why they said they're in a big fish pond.
Don't quit your day job. Whatever that is.
So this is Annie's sister's mother-in-law. That's in the field. But you know, all credit to them. They work
Interview about the experience for
so hard.
planting.
Yeah.
You can interview her. If you have,
Have you asked?
yeah. She said yeah.
Because you know I always ask people first, don't you? Because I get that many messages
guys,
saying.
before we take a video, we always ask permission. Right?
Not everybody wants a camera shoved in their face.
Sa may tulay na ko makagi masaranina. Masaranina.
Do you have more people helping you plant the rice? Yeah? Lots of people?
Look what they're doing. It's scared. It's
Oh.
sharper. Paano po yan?
Paglinig dyan sa doot para dahil kung mahirapan
Just
magbunot.
to clean the grass. It's easy.
To remove the grass.
Remove the grass.
Ito.
Ilang years mo na po nang ginigibo? Like that.
Ako, bata pa ako. Ito na yung ginagawa.
Siguro po mga pirang taon ka po ka to.
7 years old lang, marunong na ako sa uma.
She started doing like that when she was 7
7 years old, planting
until now.
rice, cleaning the rice. Even I know how to plant
So
sugarcane.
is all this your land?
No, it's only tenants.
Or tenants?
Tenants.
Alright.
Okay.
This is Mr. Emrili. Attorney ang ready. He's the owner.
So, does he pay you in rice? You know, when you collect the rice, you get so many sacks of rice.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
If I harvest 40 price, I will give him 10 sacks.
Right.
4.
Okay.
40 saro. Sampolo. 2 may kuha.
Cool.
Free rice.
So, do you sell some of this rice or do you keep it?
Yes, I sell it.
Because it's a lot, I think.
Because we have only 2 apo.
Just to
2 apo and
granddaughter.
my my two sons is also a farmer there over there.
Okay.
Right. So, your sister's land, is that her land or does she just lease it? Just tenant?
Tenant.
Tenant.
Yeah. Just tenant.
It's not my own.
Right. Well, that's not owning, is it?
Yeah.
That's what you told me. Oh my God.
Dai, si ate kaya, di ba mamaglo, ano, government idisik ko Kuya Alex?
Yan ang lumang sa puro.
Oh, duman ang kay ate.
Ay, goma si ate mo.
Other
area.
over there. Over area.
Over there.
Yeah.
What?
That one of her sister, they have also land here. Over there.
But do they own it or do they?
Yeah, they own.
Ah, right. So that's the land you were talking about.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sophia sleep already.
The family are not buying rice.
Yo, yun ang
Their
ano.
family, they not
Inalagay
buying
na
rice.
advantage
It's
nila,
always
kami
free.
nabili.
It's always free. Yeah.
Kaya pag
Pero
mabakal kita.
hindi masyadong maganda ang lupa dito kasi nag-aasa lang kami dyan sa tubig.
Sige po.
Pag nag-high tide, there is a water over the land. But today is a low tide. There is no water.
Oh, so it comes over here and then just goes around the field.
Yeah.
Ah.
There's water.
I wondered how they fed the field with water during the summer.
Nakakapos. Antara mo na
Look at all the coconut trees and stuff over there.
Tigpay ko ka si Dagdi yung maglo. Kasi kakaiba naman.
I love it here, man. I love it.
Para maiba naman niya. Tayo nga ni Mama.
And meeting Gary and Cherry. You know, I'm hoping we're going to be good friends over time. I'm not sure when I keep embarrassing myself at the end of the night, having too much to drink though. And no, I'm not drinking every day. I'm not an alcoholic. Because that's what's going to come next, isn't it? Yeah, let's go. We're going to. We passed a proper fish farm where they've got big concrete, you know, ponds. So on the way back, we're going to call in and see if I can just give it a quick video. look at this. See, why didn't they bring us this way? And I said, give him to me. She says, no, you take the video, and if I fall in, it'll make a good video. So it looks like there's plenty of water, but I was trying to ask, and I just couldn't get them to understand. If this is the rainy season and they're struggling getting the water into the fields because it's not overflowing, what do they do in the summer when there's a shortage of water?
They already memorized where they gonna go.
Right, we're just going to do a little bit of video in the house.
Hi.
Hope it's not too dark, guys. I think it's alright. But just to remind you, this is Annie's sister and this is their house.
Oh,
Hello.
ang init. Hello.
Very hot. So, what's your name? What's your name? Rose, hello Rose.
Tay, baka lang po. Tapos, meron pala.
You can please sit down.
Come what?
Sit down. Ate said.
Yeah.
Sister.
Okay.
Sophia is sleepy.
Sophia is tired na.
Can you just rub up my back then? Just, I can feel it rolling down my back. I'm sweating like anything. My shirt's soaked through.
Electric pan agad.
Matthew, come here. Let's sit down here.
So this is it. So what's in here, Annie? What's in there?
I think it's a room.
Robo by sister.
What, can I look? Can I look?
You can show it.
There's nobody in there, is there?
Yeah.
There's someone's naked there.
Oh, it's very little, very small.
And this is her husband.
All right. And where is he at the moment?
Yeah.
Where is he? Manila.
Yeah, in the Manila.
Yeah, he's working on construction, I think they said, in Manila. He gets 4,000 a month. He gets free accommodation and free food. So this is how the others live, guys.
Small house, but they are happy.
Yeah. You can see the roof. It's. Well, I hope you can see. Let's have a look. Yeah, you can see that the roof's not sealed, and there's holes in the roof. So when it rains, I'm guessing they'll have pots underneath these holes. So I'm guessing that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video.
The tour farm.
Yeah.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Thanks
See you on the
for
next
watching.
one. Bye.
Bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.